part of this journey is to trust that we can only do our best, and the rest is to the gods. Someone said about 20 years ago that you can never connect the dots into the future. You can only connect the dots into the past. So we have to trust that the dots will connect at one point. And that's how we move forward from our heart. When you drop into your heart, you know that your heart knows the truth. And then you're guided. Deep inhale, all the way in. Big exhale.
Trust the process. Stay patient. Remain close to Great Spirit. Oh, cry, oh, cry, oh, cry. It's your medicine. Look after your body. Keep it moving. Free your mind. Stay in the moment. 'Cause your heart knows the way. Your heart knows the way. Always and always.
So in a moment, we will breathe together in the mouth and out to the mouth. I will be counting the breath. You don't have to memorize any instructions, you just have to follow me. If you have any conditions or you want something more gentle, you can breathe in the nose and out the nose, or you can just enjoy the music. So finding a comfortable seat. Before we start, deep inhale all the way in. Big exhale. So we will breathe for the count of 20. On the last exhale, we will hold the breath for 20 seconds. And then we do it again for the count of 30. And then we hold for 30 seconds and then for 40. If you need to breathe at any time, please breathe. So let's start. Deep inhale in first.